This is Motorola Moto E13, and today I'm going to demonstrate that you can set the screen timeout value to never on this device. So to begin with, we will need to just go ahead and get the Caffeine app from Play Store. That's the third-party tool that we'll use in order to achieve our goal. So in here, type in the Caffeine query. That is the app that we're looking for, so let's quickly install and download the app respectively. Alrighty, now we can go ahead and launch it, and in here all that it's left to do is to make sure that the timeout section has been set to the infinite value, and as long as the Caffeine application stays active in the background, so make sure not to close it, your screen, your display will not go to sleep automatically at all, unless you'll manually turn it off, of course. Alrighty, so that would be it for today. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.